What's up guys, it's my Classboat here back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use this stereotype to make this amazing phone cover. So let's get started. So you're gonna need two tools, that is this, your tape, and this, your cutter or your knife. Sorry guys, this tape is supposed to be a material and a tool at the same time, and the stereotype is your material, your main material. So the first step is getting your stereotype and shaping it in a phone-like form. So after that, use your knife or your cutter to cut the edges of your phone-shaped stereotype, and after doing that also you remove the first layer or the surface of the stereotype. So after removing the surface or the first layer, you use your knife or your cutter again to scratch the incised part of the stereotype to get your perfect depth so that the phone can fit in perfectly. So this is the part where you want to make sure that all your edges and all your vertices are intact, and when doing this you must take your phone and put it inside the incised part of the stereotype so you can make sure it fits perfectly. So as you can see, I've used tape to cover the sides and the back of it so that it doesn't break or anything. So here you put your cut out shapes of the camera and your fingerprint sensor in the stereotype, and in my case I'll use my own phone cover, so there is something perfect. And after that you pour your super glue in those cutout shapes to get your desired shape of form. So here you get your pencil or any other tool to bring out the form or shape that is coming out well, so that the glue doesn't spread and destroy the whole stereotype. So when you're done, you use your cutter to cut off the tape at the back where the shape has come out, and you get your fingerprint sensor and your camera. Now when doing this, you need to be very careful so that the cutter doesn't cut any part of the stereotype. You don't want it getting spoiled or anything. So when you're done, you can choose to use a tape in and out of the shapes like I'm doing here, and you can get it secured, but you can choose not to.
You can also cut out where you'll be charging and your headphone jack.
So what I'm gonna do here, guys, is I'm gonna cut the side of it into two, I mean the height or the length into two, and I'll use it at this part of the phone so the phone doesn't fall.
So what you want to do is you want to use a heated piece of knife to cut it like I'm doing here, because it's so easy. So after you're done cutting it, you tape it to the bottom of the stereotype, and you do likewise with the left top or the left vertex and the right vertex as well.
So at the end, guys, you will want to have something like this, something industrial but not aesthetic. Yes, this I made for industriality, and I will not want to make it more beautiful or anything, because that could lead to something like this, and we do not want to have that, guys. So you should want to have an industrial material rather than an aesthetic one.
So this cover is waterproof but not fireproof, and you should not worry about it falling.
Yay, it's still working. Well, thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like my new haircuts, my background, and the main video. And thanks.